So when it comes to the plant supports, so I'm going to support this plant, and I just want to share this sort of idea which I'm using now from last few years very successfully. So what I got here is the rolled steel rod. It is about 8 mm thick. You can also buy a little bit thicker version of this, which is 12 mm or 10 mm thick as well, based on what kind of sort of plant or what kind of sort of weight plants are going to put on this. So the best thing about this support is that I have a clay in my garden. So normal plant supports like this one, which is a cane, or if you use any other wooden support, it will rot in few years. And also sometimes the ground is too hard because of the clay I have. So that's the reason I have gone for this one. It's expensive to buy in the first place, but it's very durable because it doesn't, basically you can just hammer it in like this one, if you see. So if I want this support here, so I'm going to hammer it in. And also in your first year, you will see it will start rusting a little bit. So it gives sort of natural feel, but at the same time, it's quite sturdy and a reliable option as compared to the canes or any other wooden supports. So I use this quite a lot, and it's an amazing option when it comes to the plant support. Yeah, so that's all. So I will now tie it around so that plant is tidy. I just wanted to share it because I think it's quite inexpensive way in the long term. In the short term, it will be expensive to buy in first place. But what you can do is, like I have put these 3 in, they are part of the same long steel rod which you can buy from places like B&Q, Wicks, or any other DIY store. You can buy like 2 meter length and divide it into 3 of these, and you can buy many of these based on, as I said, I started with 8 mm is quite decent for the smaller plants. If it's a bigger plant, I might try like 10 mm or 12 mm version. Yeah, so that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and write down in the comments how you feel about this idea of the plant support.